Check you out, confident. Oh, I can't wait to eat today. This is about to be real tasty. So we have this whole resort for ourselves.
Pickle.
And you don't walk over here for making one video, boy. Like you get front seat face.
Oh, that's your wife. Go ahead. Go ahead. Morning.
How are you, sis?
I'm good. Cheerful. Good morning, smiling people. Are y'all excited?
Yeah, we are going to Dundari Resort today in West Coast Berbice. We are praying for sun. We're gonna do like a little sun dance to get this rain to move out the way. But yeah, we're gonna be doing boating, maybe fishing, horseback riding, eating, obviously, swimming. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be
fun.
Great. Yes.
So come along with us, people.
Yeah.
Peace.
The city or these areas, also driving off-road.
It's a club and a gas station? A casino.
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 Good Hope, Mahika Market. I think this is the bridge, yes. Then call me and tell you, let's stop.
Let's turn to this woman here.
Look, he's over the bridge now.
Excuse me, Barry Bridge? A Barry Bridge? More. Alright. They got a sign, right?
Thank you. Second or third big bridge. Okay. But she laughed.
Just a sign?
I bet. No, that's them.
Andre, call me and tell me.
Oh, no, that's him right there.
I know, but what they look for. We didn't have to ask as we go. We're in Region 5.
Oh yeah,
We're in Region 5.
We should triple this something.
Yeah, right? We should.
3 in 1 go, Asia. What do you
Yeah,
think?
I think it's a good thing.
I think it's a
Because
wonderful
once
thing.
you're done, you're done.
Yeah, you're done. 3, you don't need to go again.
Nah, me, but you ain't gonna go through nothing. She the one carrying them.
I'm already going through already.
But when you're feeding 2D babies, one of them baby can still be awake.
You know?
We used to pull up, but obviously near Enmore, on some of these guys' rice field and pick only a small set of the green rice and feed it to the birds.
Oh, really?
It's like they suck the milk out or something.
You're lucky them guys didn't catch you.
Why you know why he's in Enmore, boy?
Lucky them guys didn't catch you.
You know why he is? I didn't want them. Why you don't
might
much
just feed
speed I
you to the
had?
birds.
How much speed I had?
Speed.
I didn't have to be the fastest. I just had to make sure I wasn't the slowest.
Manny. Ooh, that cool breeze felt nice. It was cooler than cool.
That was nice water. But I won't jump in there because it's in fresh water.
Yeah.
Okay.
I felt the
No is where we begin.
All right, Emmanuel. Show Emmanuel how this little golden bird can handle this.
Show you, let me know.
This is not just any
Okay.
Harpy eagle.
Okay.
None I ain't
The harpy. We are harpy. Okay.
I'm not driving.
We are harpy.
I'm not driving confident, wild. I don't sail like you.
Keep going.
Harpy.
Won't get stuck.
Andre, watch how we fly through this thing,
It could have
okay?
been messy.
Watch how we fly through this thing.
I'm watching.
Watch.
I'm watching the pilot.
All right, we have golden harpy eagle right now, okay?
I'm saying the pilot right now.
Okay, pilot got it. He got it, okay? He light on these tires, all right? You feel us gliding? Glide. I thought that was going to be a little more dramatic.
Red Stallion could have probably make it through here.
Huh?
You think so?
I think so. With this dry, yeah, compared to what we went through.
I think there's a pontoon, I think. Andre, there's a pontoon, right? Yeah, they use that like for when they're harvesting the sugar cane and stuff.
Mm.
They would put it on the and it just goes downstream.
Well, that's good. Well, this is gonna be interesting. We gotta put vests on too.
Oh, I have that book.
I was gonna say, I feel like I've seen it.
Yeah, someone told me about it because it's about Guyana.
Majority, I want switch. Because majority of the weight on this side.
No, he's coming.
She said, wait.
Like, I can see the boat.
She said, wait a minute. There we go. Lakeside views. Beautiful. Paid that bird to do that. And that bluebird too. What's your name, sir?
Kumar.
Kumar?
Oh, I must welcome you to Dandari Nature Resort. Hope you have a nice day.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kumar.
There's no tour guide and thing around. The whole place is for you today.
Wow.
Everybody on holiday.
It's nice and exclusive. So we have this whole resort for ourselves. What a beautiful treat. Let me show you guys around. There's a manual. Eating bread. Hammocks.
See the bat?
Oh, a bat. They're little.
I had a shower rain when after I leave.
Tiny, tiny little bats. We are the welcoming committee.
Such good looking people on this welcoming committee.
We have this resort just for us. It's an exclusive feel. Mr. Kumar and his partner here are our lovely hosts.
Yeah, alligator? Yeah. Okay.
See what?
The alligator. Y'all about to see a crocodile. Don't fall.
Who saw that? Who saw that?
Who spotted out? He did.
The driver.
Definitely not.
Take the alligator to Andre's side.
Yeah, let Andre feed him.
Hey, bring it back for you.
Yeah, I see it. They're not alligators, kind of.
I don't see it.
Like straight in front. Straight in front?
Uh-huh.
It's small. You can jump in. You can jump in. It's small. You see?
He's oh, I see him crawling.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a little bar. Party people coming. Horse don't want to bother with me. Cows. Squishy. Beautiful birds. Oh, a dog. Isn't it?
Don't let Andre cook all the meat one time. If he mess up, there's only a certain hand.
He don't mess that up at all.
But this aisle gonna burn up.
Daddy needs to get some of these nuts.
The one in
Yeah. Kiri walk come up with us.
Fire come with this side. Over here. Bring up patang putana. Ala fire lagi na may wango de. I go pick up man, a quick time.
Yeah, you see it turning the bottom out.
Right, but I think that was okay. Yeah, so I think so. It's not a photo, no.
Oh, it's a video?
I think it's a video he taken.
Pickle.
And they don't walk over here for make it on video, by like you get front seat face.
I'll hot enough.
What happened if fire was going to the other hole and they just switch it around?
When you know left off, you can come around.
I will you ever look like this?
Back to your heart, that's all. Now we are passing.
Frog, be careful before you jump in this pot.
Well, frog legs is a delicacy, you know. I never indulge, but I hear.
Thank you, Lord, for the beef.
Andre, we also have some.
Oh, I can't wait to eat today. This is about to be real tasty. Wedges.
I'm waiting on a spoon. No, this is a master of sauces.
Oh, really? I love sauce.
There's some concoctions there.
You gotta bottle it. We call it Lovis sauce. The love sauce. That'd be
love
a good
sauce.
love
Yeah.
sauce.
Do y'all have any animals that's come and try to eat the chickens?
Yeah, but you see black after and that come.
Why? Like what animals has come?
Well, here you get the jaguar.
Oh, jaguars come steady?
Yeah, you just run in home. He does not come.
No, you want me? No, not like that. Sorry, I didn't know what to do. I'm sorry. Did I burn you? Are you okay? You don't ever drop it like that. It's really hot somewhere. You burn yourself.
What is that you're squeezing?
It's fine.
Pine. Adding some sugar to the sauce.
That's like kind of work, kind of. Well, it's like sweet potato fries, right? So
Yeah.
you're like carrot, fried carrots. Anybody?
No, I was telling her in general.
Yummy.
I'm gonna take a piece of pineapple now, so you can focus on this pineapple picking, and then I'm gonna do apple.
Andre.
For like
Hey.
training for several months.
Oh, stuff.
So I would not be able to tell you until March how long I'm gonna be there.
Cool, we probably could make a trip out there.
Yeah.
But we have to go.
Visit.
Cool, I want to take her to the pork out. It's gonna get dry.
Andre.
Just no.
You didn't put no sauce, Andre.
Just no.
Andre, other than feeling like in charge by telling us not to do it now, what is your justification for just now?
Because we got to put sauce.
Oh, on the pork.
So why you wait for it to dry up so much first? So that it is soggy saucy?
Nah, because once it's dry, it's dry.
I'm trying to
It's
help
just
Andre.
sitting on top, Andre. Wow.
I'm gonna make the perfect burger for you to take care.
Perfect.
Alright.
Perfect burger here, loading.
Coming with some mayo.
Maybe you want a plate? No? Okay.
I mean, I could. I don't. Goddess, can I have a plate, please?
I'll find somewhere to put this.
Two big man here.
Bigger man.
You can tell this pig had some size.
Andre, you make sure this pork cooked good?
That's a good question. They say I was sharing the grill and I was being bullied.
But me don't want no excuses,
Right?
why? What Andre with
I had to
excuses?
shift over to the corner with the lowest heat.
Lowest
So let's
heat.
pray that we can eat this quick.
Andre, you had this thing on the fire
Let's just pray
like
that we
an
can
hour
eat it.
by.
Freaking hard.
Yeah, enjoy.
A little chewy there. You sure? Andre, you fighting with this thing?
Dry.
Dry.
So we have our bun, we have our mayo. I'm gonna go in with some ketchup there, some mustard. Right, okay, we're gonna just take this little guy, put it right there. We're gonna take some onions with some breadcrumbs, some Parmesan breadcrumbs there on top, and then for those who like a little sweet and savory situation, we got some pine, we got some roasted apple. Alright, and then we have little cheese to just top this baby off right here. Right here. Just like that. And then
So avant-garde.
yes, and then you're just gonna
Wow. Let's get it with the background. Right? Wow. Check out that texture. Delicioso.
alright, and we're gonna bam.
All cooked and prepared outside. Thumbnail. Boom. That's a good picture right there. How to cut meat.
Take it over, that's a pretty good.
Oh, did they get a hot dog?
Delicious. Look at these grown men.
Yes, cowboys.
The horse flies bothering you? You can see it all on the belly.
Yes.
Yeah.
You doing good?
I feel for the horse.
I know, with the flies, right?
No, you don't want them thing like that.
Oh, you get it? There's a lot of flies, man.
He's enjoying this nice little neck rub, you
Yeah,
know?
yeah. When you beat them and you rub the skin, it's just like when
Shiny.
it's you know like when you take one hard brush and scrub your own skin away to feel nice.
Oh, yeah.
Or something like that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like nobody scratches me here.
The flies biting you too?
These flies be biting.
You want to come up? How much are you?
Oh, you was riding it by yourself? Missy, ma'am?
Yes, I was.
You was?
Yep.
Look at this man. You good there? Uh-huh.
This thing is taking a little water, huh?
Check you out. Confident. So happy. Right? So cute.
Guys, you gotta relax your shoulders. Goddess, you look
Very tense, yeah.
You look very, very tense, Goddess.
You're all right. You're in good hands. So happy.
Capadulo. Strong back.
Huh.
Okay, so firstly, cheers to fellow wifey and marriage and all of its wonderful components, and cheers to 6 years of marriage.
Happy anniversary.
Oh yes,
This is Monday. Yeah, 6.
Which we all
Yay!
observe with Capadula.
Okay, so this cheers going with a little like smack, you know, or something.
Hello. Yeah. Ooh, that's your wife. Go ahead. Go ahead. Show them people. Thank you, Dandari Resort. But if we stay still, I could freeze it as a video. I mean, as a picture. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
You're gonna remember that there was that moment.
Yeah, because when I look through all this content for the vlog, it'll be there.
So what was your favorite part of today, Angel?
Of course, this one. Okay, my
Helping
favorite.
you vlog.
My favorite part of this trip so far was the cooking. Us all cooking together was probably my highlight. It was good, right?
That was actually most of our afternoon.
That wasn't literally just like renting an idyllic spot to cook lunch.
Right.
Yeah.
To just cook
Well,
lunch.
to be fair, the burger meat was good. It was nice.
Yeah,
But
we
it's
had
fun to
some
cook
good
with other
food.
people too. So.
Yeah, we had good food.
Yep. So what was your favorite?
Even our hosts enjoyed it, so.
That's true.
You enjoyed the burger, right? Yes. You did. Well, horses are my favorite animal, so I'd have to say horseback riding was a lot of fun. Minus being bitten by the horseflies.
Yeah.
Just once the horse gets into a gallop,
I know, I saw you
just
start
feel-
living. She lost her
just feel
sandal
free,
and her
like,
hat, and
my
she was
hat.
like,
letting everything go, you know? Just unburdening.
Nice.
Lovis,
Yeah.
what was your favorite?
I think it was horseback riding too, because I never rode a horse before, so
Same.
great. It was fun.
Yes, that
It
was the
fun.
highlight of my
Definitely
afternoon,
something to
horseback
try again.
riding. Yeah. Next time if we come, we need to do the other activities, you know, like fishing and
Yeah.
There's still fish.
Fishing,
swimming.
canoeing.
Oh yes.
If you dare.
Swimming. If you dare swim with the caiman.
Water's a little murky.
But it's alright. It's not like anything gonna happen. There's no piranhas in there.
Let's hope. Oh, look, your cows
Okay,
are
so
going.
we just heard that the cows are coming in, which means that rain is coming. So.
They're like, hey,
Oh,
put
do
us
they
up.
know to come in? Do they feel it?
Yeah.
I just feel a drop.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this water warm in the night. You know.
Warm. So they stay by the water?
They stay out here and you get the warmness.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow.
You might tremble out here with this breeze. But when you go there, you don't stop it. It's warm. So that it takes back the heat in the night.
Okay, okay.
Oh, excuse me. Y'all already know what the title says. I honestly am not gonna have you guys waiting like 20 minutes into this video to find out whether or not